Hi guys, I am so excited to teach you guys how to make this gorgeous wood bead wreath. Of course, let's first talk about the materials. You can either grab your homemade Lux kit or get you some peonies, roses, greenery, glue sticks, tape, beads, and a wire wreath hoop. So first you're going to just kind of go back and forth with that joint on the wreath form until it breaks. It's very, very easy. You literally just softly go back and forth until it opens up for you. Then you just use your beads and you just string them all along. Very, very easy. And with these beads, I love the natural look of these wood beads, but of course you could stain them, you could whitewash them, you could paint them. It's just your personal preference. I just love the natural look of these beads. So you're going to bead them all the way to the end, but give yourself a little bit of space so that you can tape this back together. So if you have your homemade Lux craft kit, you're gonna have tape on your glue stick. So just go ahead and tape that up. And then you're gonna start placing your flowers however you would like. I definitely suggest using the biggest peony you have and putting it in the middle to cover up that tape. And then make sure you have some greenery on the sides and then just fill it in with those smaller roses and peony buds and all the little stuff. Add some height and texture with the longer rose stems and you're good to go. Once you've got the placement that you like, go ahead and get that glue gun warmed up and put some beads pretty close together so that you can actually put it on the tape and the beads. And then go ahead and glue everything else. Make sure you hold it down when you glue so that everything stays in place. And you can put the glue on the bottom of the flower as well as on the actual wood bead. And that gives it some really good extra hold as well. So just keep on going. And if you're new to Homemade Lux is a craft subscription box. Every month we send you gorgeous home decor projects just like this one. So go ahead and check us out at www.homemadelux.com. Okay guys. And this is one of my favorite projects because this isn't a usual wreath. It's quite unusual and it's so sophisticated. It's so pretty, it's so on trend, but most of all, it is so simple. As you can see, it's just literally just 3 steps and you have created this gorgeous wreath. You just continue gluing these down and then you'll have your gorgeous wreath. That's it, guys. Enjoy your gorgeous wood bead wreath with your homemade Lux kit. I hope you enjoyed this project as much as I do, and we will see you next month for another craft kit project.